We'll guide you through how to change your password on a Mac. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you're concerned somebody else goes and knows your password, or you just want to go and update it just to go and keep it fresh. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. Without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So you need to go and log in to your Mac. If you currently don't go and know the password at all, we've actually got a guide on how you can go and reset it, so you can go and check that out. This guide is where you do currently know it and you want to go and change it. So what you need to do is go down and you can find the option for system settings at the bottom in the dock, or press the Apple icon in the top left and go and press system settings. Then what you need to do is go over to the left and scroll down. Find the option users and groups, find the user here. So this is me, Rob Tucker, and you want to press the I over to the right like this. This will open up and you can see your username and you can see password, and we have the option for change. So click change to the right. Here you can then go and enter in your old password, and we can now go and start entering the new one. So go and type that in here, and then you need to go and verify it. And you need to go and give a hint. So you can then go and type in what it is, the hint, and you can then press change password. And that's it. That's now been successfully changed. So the next time you go and log into your Mac, you're then going to be using that password you just went and set there. That's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you get in the future with more guides like this. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.